Today on What Did Mom Put in My Cart? Hello! Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. So, I went to Joann's for the last time ever. This was weeks ago. I don't film things right when they happen. It just doesn't happen in this life. I went to Joann's and then I got sick, and so my whole filming schedule was thrown off. Anyway, went to Joann's for the last time, and boy, was it empty. Woo! I mean, they even like cut you off from most of the store because they moved things up front because the shelves were just empty, so they moved everything towards the front. Some of the yarn was still in the back, but for the most part, everything was in the front of the store because everything was empty. And I bought some Woobles kits for my friends because they wanted to do Woobles reviews, and so I found them for $12. So I grabbed them. There was only one design. It was this little puppy, but you know what? They didn't care. They're like, yeah, we just want to do a Woobles review, and I'm like, great, I'll grab one for you. So I did that. I'll show you my haul later. I don't have a whole lot of footage from there, but I'll show you what I can. I took medicine, I did my best, and I went to Joann's. So here I am. You can see the going out of business sign. We are driving in the parking lot of Joann's for the very last time. And then you can see that they moved all the stuff to the front and they put them in these boxes and made it easier for us to shop. But that's because you can see all the tape where all of these items are no longer on the shelves. It's kind of sad. Well, I just did my last shopping trip at Joann's ever because mine is done. And I got some cool things. I shopped for other people too, so because theirs didn't have any and mine did. So yeah, so that's all there was. And I will show you my haul. Bye, Joann's. This is my last haul. My last haul from Joann's. I bought a lot, but I also didn't buy that much. I bought a lot of the same thing. So, yeah. Okay, here we go. Not all of this yarn is for me. So, some of this yarn is for some of my friends. I know that their stores were like empty or closed, and I was like, I got you. So, okay. First, we're going to start out with non-yarny things because I do other crafts. Okay, this was just fun. If you don't know, I love movies. And this was, it says $6.49, but I think it was like $1.50. And it's just movie trivia. And I just thought that would be too fun. Like, just whenever we're sitting around or whatever, if we want to try it. I don't know. I just thought it would be fun. And it was $1.50. Why not? So, I also got some pom-poms of different sizes. You never know when a pom-pom is going to come in handy. Got some more Christmas ones. I got some really nice, large, straight, pointy needles. They're still blunt tip, but they are pointy, so that's nice. I have heard for years that this is great with burlap blanket yarn. These large with the wooden handle Susan Bates hooks. So I got one. I think it was like $2. Or less. It was less. Yeah, it was less. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see what I think, because I do make stuff with burnout blanket yarn, so I'm curious. This is an 8mm, by the way. Yeah. Then I got a bunch of different felt. I got sparkly green, sparkly red, and a bunch of those, and then some buffalo plaid. Now there should be other things in here somewhere. Hopefully I didn't lose them, but okay. I got a bunch of this. This is the Big Twist Lollipop Twisty. This is 98.4 yards. Due to how this yarn is dyed and spun, each skein is produced in a unique variation and may result in a variation in your color from skein to skein. Oh, okay. Okay. 4 of these can make a blanket. What? Oh, okay. A baby blanket. Okay, there we go. I was gonna say. So I got a bunch of these different colors. I got 90s girly. Saturday morning. Is this one the same? Yep. This is also 90s girly. See what they mean by different color variations? Interesting. I think I got a blue one. Yeah. This one is Electric Eel. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a very thick 4-weight. Honestly, treat it like a 5. Treat it like a 5. If you have this yarn, treat it like a 5. So, is this a different one? No, this is also Electric Eel, but it's way more green. And then I got some of this yarn. I think there's some other colors of this in another bag. This is the Big Twist Totally Tweed. It's a 4-weight. Yeah, that's more of a 4-weight. And it is 295 yards a skein. This color is cyan. Okay, I can't read from that far away. Cyan Chroma. I love this one. This one is called Dance All Night. Dance All Night. I got a few of those. And I think the other colors are in another bag. Let me see. I also got Rose All Day and Girls Night Out. So 2 different pink variations there. I got some velvets and some chenilles. This is the Juicy Couture Luxe Velour, 107 yards. Ridiculously overpriced normally, but when the closeout sale, cheap. This is a 5-weight. I got the color Pewter. And I got the sparkle variety in Biscay Bay. Turquoise is my favorite color. There is a project I have wanted to make for years. And I've never done it. And it would be just for me. I love the movie Fantastic Beasts. I think the Fantastic Beasts series is better than the regular Harry Potter series. Don't hate me. It's just an opinion. And it's mostly because they're period pieces, and I like period pieces. So, I love the character Queenie Goldstein. I see a lot of myself in several parts of her. Not all of her parts, but There's a lot of her I see in myself. And I love her aesthetic. I actually have her dress. I do. I just love that character. Anyway, I always thought it would be really fun to make Queenie Goldstein slippers. For myself. Queenie Goldstein inspired slippers. I thought that would be a lot of fun. And I needed a specific color in order to pull it off. They didn't have a lot of velvet left, but what was the color they had left? It's perfect! It's perfect. This is called Dusty Blush. I guess I'm making my slippers. I'm so excited. This isn't the only color I'm using. I do have a little bit of another color, and I think I have just enough of it to pull it off. But, yay! I don't know if you'll see those this year, or at all. Maybe I will do a video and they'll just be on my feet. Okay, Juicy Couture Luxe Velour Extra Large. This is only 48.6 yards, so we got 4 of these. This is also pewter, and it is is this a 7? Yeah, this is a 7 jumbo. Look at this. Yeah, this is a 7 jumbo. And I got these for big, fuzzy slippers for a guy, so. Okay. You hanging in there? One more bag. Hi, sorry to interrupt, but just a quick reminder, please hit the like button and share to anyone you think would like this video, but also leave a comment. Did you know that leaving a comment helps the algorithm so much? Likes are important, shares are important, but comments actually boost the algorithm and help our channels spread so that more people can see that we exist. We are here, we are here, we are here. So if you would please leave a comment, even if it's just hi or an emoji, or you have something to say about the video, or you have a question for me, please leave it in the comment section. I would be very appreciative. Oh, and if you're liking what you're seeing, maybe subscribe. We have all kinds of fun over here. So many different things happen on this channel. You never know. Okay, thank you for letting me interrupt. Now enjoy your video. And again, I'm not even showing you all how many skeins I bought of those colors, because, yeah. Oh, this. Okay, let's go to our favorite segment. All right, it's time once again for everyone's favorite segment. What did Mom put in my cart? Dun 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 dun. This is your favorite segment from every haul. I know, everybody always wants to know, what did my mom put in my cart? So if you're new here, my mom is notorious for enabling me in my yarn love. And she'll just put stuff in my cart that she thinks is pretty. So today on What Did Mom Put in My Cart? It is the Big Twist Living. It's the anti-pilling yarn that they make. And it is 199 yards. Really, we couldn't have 200 yards? Like, really? Anyway, it is extremely soft. I think it is a premium acrylic. And it is very soft. So the colors we got, actually, I did find this one. And this was Sage. And this is the only one they had. This is it. This skein. That's it. Sage. My mother found this. This color is mustard. Very nice golden yellow. Can't have enough black. Mom also found the Basic Stitch anti-pilling in black noir. It's just black, but I like calling it noir. And this is a Lion brand yarn, which you can still get. So this is 185 yards. If you go on lionbrand.com, you could get these. I think there's also a blue. Yeah, there's also a blue. Royal blue. Gee, I wonder why she got this one. my mother's favorite color. I wonder if she wants me to make something for her. I don't know. That would be my suspicion. We have more of the living. Really red. If you didn't believe me, it's really red. That's the color. I am really happy she found this one. It's like a school bus yellow. That's hard to find. It's called Sunshine. And one more. Pine green. Okay. Whew. All right. Well, I know a lot of people are really sad. I feel really bad for people who Joann's is their only store, but I did see something on the website that was intriguing. I wonder what that means. Leave your guesses down in the comments. I don't know. Well, I'm sorry that Joann's is gone. That is sad. But personally, I order mostly online anyway, so... And Joann's wasn't close for me. It wasn't. I did like it better than Michael's, and Michael's was really close to me, but I'm a Hobby Lobby girl. If they would stop putting in so much decor and start adding more crafts, I'd be even more of a Hobby Lobby girl, but I find their yarn extremely soft. Yeah, I know a lot of it's overpriced, but I like it a lot. I go to Hobby Lobbies, I go to Michael's, but I mostly order from Herrschners. Herrschners is where it's at. The Smart Savings Club, yeah, I love it. 25 bucks a year with all the perks. I love Herrschners, and they're going to carry Big Twist, so looks like I was part of the right team. Leave your thoughts down in the comments. What do you think Joann's is up to? Are you excited about the Big Twist? Which Big Twists would you like for them to have in their store? Personally, I want Posh and Baby Bear. And any of the others they want to throw in, but I want Posh and Baby Bear. And I'd be a happy, happy girl. Obviously, we know they're going to have the value yarn. That's the one they had in the picture, and, you know, that's the one everybody uses, so the value yarn is safe. But for the specialty yarns, give me Posh and Baby Bear, and give me more colors. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.